Hello, Tony's here. A new version of the Ghost Commander is here. So in this version, I will show you how to use it and how to attempt to hide any softwares. You have to run it as administrator. So once the software open, so first thing first, you have to establish a secure connection between your device and ghostremotely.com. The ghostremotely.com is a built-in remote access, same as AnyDesk, GetScreenMe, or Zoom or any other remote access, in which you can access to your device on a web-based dashboard, which is something like this, where you can access to your device once the connection established between your device and the ghostremotely.com. And then simply click on a device, and this is my second monitor on this device, as you can see. And so I have remote access to it, and I can do anything on my device, similar to AnyDesk or Zoom or anything. So this is a built-in remote access, which I'm working on to make it a lot better, which runs on services, does not run on any ports or anything, so it's completely hidden. So for now, let's stop it and attempt to hide in some remote access softwares or any other softwares that you want to hide. But in this example, I'll be attempting to hide AnyDesk, everyone's favorite for now. So there's a process manager and ghost mode hide. Previously, we used the process manager to hide any softwares, but please do not use it anymore, as it's just there for a connection between the ghost mode hide and the task manager, which the process manager reads all the data from the task manager, feeds it to ghost mode hide. So do not use it at all. This is just for the tools, which is continuously monitoring your task manager. So in order to hide any softwares, click on the Ghost Mode Hide, which opens the same interface as the Process Manager. So if I want to hide AnyDesk now, as you can see, AnyDesk is running on my device, as you can see on the taskbar and in the Task Manager. Let's search for AnyDesk. There's two ways of doing it. Once you search it, you can click on it and double click, it's going to hide, but I prefer to go slow, do everything in steps. So click on AnyDesk and click Ghost Mode. So it takes AnyDesk to the right window, which means AnyDesk is hidden. And then let's hide the rest of the AnyDesk, which are the processes. So now AnyDesk should be completely hidden after this one. Yeah, AnyDesk is completely hidden. It doesn't show anywhere. So if you want to unhide AnyDesk, you can click on Restore. Do not use this restore. This restore is an automated restore for your task manager. If you run through this, your device might run into troubleshoot and then needs to restart. Go through this one, click Restore. It brings AnyDesk back. Or you have an option here to restore all. So for now, I will keep these two hidden for now, and then we will be attempting to restore the rest of the apps. So let's attempt to hide GetSecurity. As you can see, GetSecurity is actually, let's hide AnyDesk again. So to see that AnyDesk is no longer showing. This is AnyDesk, and I'm gonna hide AnyDesk. So as you can see, AnyDesk is completely hidden and the software is running. Let's attempt to hide GetSecurity. As you can see, it shows in my task manager and my taskbar. Let's click on this and hide it. It shows you on the second window. And click the process again to hide it. So as you can see, there's no residue or of GetSecurity, and the software is running. So let's hide the third one, which is Zoom. Let's search in Zoom, click on Fresh and search for Zoom. Click Zoom and click on Ghost Mode to hide Zoom. Yeah, click on Zoom and Ghost Mode to hide Zoom. So Zoom is completely hidden. Sorry, nothing shows on the task bar either. It is all hidden and the softwares are running in the background, as you can see it here. So I can click and restore any softwares I want, but do not use this restore again. I'm saying it again, do not use this restore. Use the restore that to restore your processes that you already hidden through the ghost mode. Okay, you can do it one by one, or you can close that window and come back to the main window to restore all together. Once you click that, it asks you restore 7 hidden processes. Yes, I want to restore all of them. So as you can see, all the processes are coming back. Let me clear this out. So as you can see, AnyDesk is back, Get to Chrome is back, and Zoom is back, and you can see all of them on your taskbar. There's end sessions, which is going to disconnect you from the server or the ghostremotely.com, where you can click it. I'll do it later. So the quick isolate, what is a quick isolate does? The quick isolate is going to, once you connect your device to the ghostremotely.com, there's a quick, as I said, it runs on a server. Once you click quick isolate, it's gonna hide the processes for you, the services, sorry, that is run on the device to connect to ghostremotely.com. Or you can click end session. It's gonna stop and restore and hide if you have any hidden softwares for you. So this is how the new version works. The new version is a lot better, is a lot safer, and a lot faster. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.